If you don't know anything about the Cash App, then this video is for you. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cash App step by step. And I'm going to keep everything super simple so you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll know how to send money, receive money, and even move it back to your bank without any confusion. All right, let's get into it. First things first, if you don't already have the Cash App, just head over to the App Store if you're on iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using Android, and simply download it. Once you open the app, it's going to ask you to sign up. You can enter your phone number or your email address, whichever you prefer. After that, it will ask for some basic details like your name and your address. In some cases, it might also ask for your ID or some verification details, especially if you want to use more features later on. That's completely normal, so just follow the steps and finish setting up your account. Once you're inside the app, the first thing you should do is connect your bank account. This is really important because Cash App works by linking to your bank or your card. So what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen and then click on Linked Banks. From there, you can click Link New Card or Bank Account and then add your debit card, your bank account, or even a credit card. I usually recommend using a debit card or bank account because it's easier and you avoid extra fees. Credit cards normally charge a small fee when you send money. After you connect your bank, you're basically ready to start using the app. Now, let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Cash App is just a middle app that helps you move money. It takes money from your bank, holds it in the app, and then lets you send it to someone else. Or someone can send money to you, and you can keep it there or move it back to your bank. When you sign up, you'll also get something called a cash tag. It looks like a username with a $ in front of it. That's your identity on Cash App. You can give this to people and they can send you money using that instead of your number or anything else. Now let's talk about sending money because that's the main thing most people want to do. When you open the app, you'll see a number pad on the screen. All you need to do is type the amount you want to send. Let's say you want to send $50. You just type that in, then tap the pay button. After that, you just choose the person you want to send it to. You can search by their name, their cash tag, phone number, or email. If they're already saved in your contacts, they might show up automatically. You can also add a little note, like what the payment is for, maybe something like food or ride or anything you want. Once everything looks good, you just tap pay and that's it. The money is sent instantly. Now on the other side, if someone owes you money, you don't have to keep reminding them. You can just request it directly through the app. You do the same thing, type the amount, but this time tap request instead of pay. Then choose the person, maybe add a note like dinner or split bill, and send the request. They'll get notified and can pay you right away. When someone sends you money, it shows up in your Cash App balance. You'll see it on the main screen here. From here, you have two choices. You can either keep the money inside the app or transfer it back to your bank account. If you want to move it to your bank, just tap on withdraw, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Now here's where you'll see two options. One is standard, which is free, but takes a couple of days. The other is instant, which sends the money right away, but charges a small fee. You just pick whichever works better for you and confirm it. And just like that, the money moves to your bank. Another really useful feature in Cash App is the Cash App card. You can actually order a free debit card directly from the app. This card lets you spend your Cash App balance in real life, like in stores or online. It's pretty convenient, especially if you use Cash App often. Sometimes they even give you small discounts or cashback offers when you use the card. Now, Cash App also has some extra features built in. You can invest in stocks, buy Bitcoin, or even use it as a saving space. There's also an option to receive your salary directly into your Cash App account. But honestly, if you're just starting out, you don't need to worry about all of that right away. The main thing is just learning how to send, receive, and manage your money. One cool feature a lot of people don't know about is that you can actually deposit real cash into Cash App. So if you have physical money, you can go to a nearby store that supports Cash App deposits. The app will show you locations near you. You just go there, show them your barcode, give them the cash, and it gets added to your balance. It's actually really simple once you try it. You can also keep track of everything you do in the app by going to the activity section. This shows you all your transactions, like money you've sent, received, or requested. It's helpful if you want to stay organized. Also, if you're new to Cash App, there's usually a referral bonus. If you invite a friend or use someone's code, you can get a few extra dollars added to your account. It's not huge, but hey, free money is free money. Before I wrap this up, just a quick tip. Always double check who you're sending money to. Make sure it's the right person, because once you send it, it's not always easy to get it back. And never share your account details with anyone. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know to get started with Cash App. It might look confusing at first, but once you use it a couple of times, it becomes really easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you still have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.